Hello students, today we will discuss the rules of indices. So the first rule of indices here is the multiplication law. The multiplication law implies if there are two numerical with same base in multiplication form, the power here m and n will be added. Okay, so base a are same in this case and the power m and n will be added, m plus a. For an example, we can say if there is a numerical 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, and the base are 2 which are same in this case, and the power 2 and 3 will be added. Okay, so we can write 2 to the power 2 plus 3, which is 2 to the power 5. The next law is the division law of indices. If there are two numerical in division form, the power will be subtracted. Here a to the power m divided by a to the power n, the bases are a and same, and m minus m and n will be subtracted. For example, we can write 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 1 will be 3 to the power 3 minus 1. So power 3 and 1 minus 1. Okay, so answer will be 3 square. The third law is power of power. If there is a power of power, the power will be multiplied. If a to the power m of power n, then m and n will be multiplied. Okay, so for example, 2 to the power 3 of power 2, so the power 2 and 3 will be multiplied. So 3 times 2 equal to 2 to the power 6. So anything power 0 will be 1. So for example, we can say 2 to the power 0 equals to 1, or 3 to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, so negative power will be reciprocal with positive power. Okay, so 2 to the power minus 3 will be 1 by 2 to the power 3. The next law, if there are two terms and there is a whole power which is m, and the power will be distributed to each of the factor which is a and b. So a to the power m times b to the power n. For example, 2 and 3 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. Okay, so the same goes to if the two term in division form. Okay, so a and b are in division form and whole power m, and m will be distributed to both a and b. So a to the power m and b to the power m. So 3 by 2 to the power 5 can be written as 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5. Okay, so if there is a root like n root can be written as 1 by n, and root a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. So root will be in the denominator. Okay, root will be in the denominator. So here the root is n and the power is m. So power will be in the numerator. So here m in the numerator and n in the denominator. Okay, so for example, if we can write 2 root 3 power 5, we can write 3 power. Here the power will be numerator, so 5 will be the numerator and 2, which is in root, will be denominator. So 5 by 2. Okay. So the root a into b. So here a and b are two terms and there is a root. So actually root is nothing but power of 1 by 2. Okay. So here the root can be taken as common with a into b. So root a into b can be written as root a into root b. So root will be distributed to a and b factors. Okay. So for division there will be the same. So root over a divided by b equals to root a by b. So for example, root 3 times 2 will be root 3 times root 2. Okay. So root 3 by 2 will be root 3 by root 2. So the root 2 will be cancelled out by square. Okay. So it can be further elaborated as a root square. So root is nothing but a to the power half and multiplied by a 2 by 2 equals to a. Okay. So here we can also write that root 3 root a square can be written as a 3. Okay. So these are the basic rule of indices. We must keep the rule in mind and apply whenever necessary. Thank you, students.